Okay, day 5 notes. This is polynomials in real world situations involving area. So I'm going to do the we do, and then you will pause the video and do the you do. So first one, George is buying a new rug with the following dimensions shown below. If the area is represented by the expression 15x squared plus kx minus 12, what is the value of k? Now remember, area is equal to side times side, or it's equal to length times width. Alright, you can also say it's equal to factor times factor. Okay. Alright, now, so they're asking for the area here, and they're saying the area is represented by this expression. What is the value of k? So what is the value of k? It's going to be this coefficient for the x. So our two factors are going to be 5x minus 6 and 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. And so we need to multiply these together, okay? See, length times width. So we're going to multiply these together to get the area, and that'll let us know what the k is. So to multiply these two, we're going to use the box method. Okay, so go ahead and make you a box. Make sure you make it kind of big so you have plenty of room to write. Okay. Alright, so we're going to go 5x and minus 6. And then 3x and 2. So again, 3x times 5x, that'll be 3x times 5x. 3 times 5 is 15. X times x is x squared. 3x times negative 6. So 3 times negative 6 is negative 18x. And then 2 times 5x, that'll be 2 times 5 is 10. Oop, my bad. So that'll be 2 times 5x, so that'll be 10x. And then we have 2 times negative 6. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So now we will end up combining these two boxes. So now we're going to write this out as 15x squared minus 18x plus 10x minus 12. And so now we're going to combine. We need to combine these like terms here. So to do that in Desmos, you go negative 18 plus 10, which gives us negative 8. So our answer here is going to be 15x squared minus 8x minus 12. Okay. So our area, so this is going to be our area. So I'm going to write area right here, 15x squared minus 8x minus 12. And so our k value will be negative 8. So notice our k is in front of the x, so here's your k. So your k value will be negative 8. Alright, so now go ahead and pause the video, and then you're going to do this one on your own. Once you get it done, get a check mark from Mr. Adams. Alright, here we go. Next. So we're going to convert. So now we're going to be converting from vertex form to standard form. Okay, vertex form to standard form. So this is vertex form right here. Alright, we had this before the break, so this is vertex form. And then we're going to convert it to standard form, which is a trinomial that looks like this. And we're going to fill in the missing pieces, the boxes. And then again, they're asking what is this k value, this number, the coefficient for x here. Now our first step to do this is we have to multiply x plus 8 quantity squared. We're going to multiply, so we're going to take care of that, this part here first. So we have to multiply. So x plus 8 squared, that's the same thing as x plus 8 times x plus 8. Okay, so we're going to use the box method to do this. So go ahead and make you a box. Make it kind of big. Leave yourself plenty of room down here. So we'll go like this. Okay, so x plus 8 times x plus 8, we'll just go x, 8, x, 8. And so now this first box will be x times x, which is x squared. Then we're going to go x times 8, which gives us 8x. And then x times 8, which gives us 8x. And then 8 times 8, which gives us 64. And so now we want to put these boxes together, 8x plus 8x. So our final answer here, 8 plus 8 is 16. So our final answer is going to be x squared plus 16x, or our trinomial here, plus 64. So this is the trinomial. So now we're going to rewrite f of x, except we're going to use this trinomial instead of the x plus 8 quantity squared. So this is so f of x will turn into this, negative 1/2, negative 1 over 2, x squared plus 16x plus 64, and then minus 6. Oops, minus 6. Okay. All right, so notice we're getting closer and closer to this trinomial, all right? But notice this trinomial right here in standard form has no parentheses. So our next step here, we are going to distribute. So we'll go negative 1/2 times x squared. That'll give us negative 1/2 x squared. And then we're going to go negative 1/2 times 16x. So that'll give us minus 8x. And then we're going to go negative 1/2 times 64. So that'll give us minus 32. And then minus 6. Almost there. So now we're going to put the negative 32 and the negative 6 together. So that gives us negative 1 over 2 x squared minus 8x, and negative 32 minus 6. So again, if you can't do that in your head, use the Desmos on your desk. That'll give you negative 38. So this will be minus 38. Okay. Alright, so in standard form, here it is. So now I can fill in these missing boxes. So this first one will be negative 1 over 2. And then I'll put negative 8. And then negative 38. And then notice they want the k value, which is in front of the x. And so we have negative 8, which is in front of our x. So we're going to put negative 8 right here. Alright, so now you can finish the video, or turn off the video, and now you're going to complete this one and get a check mark from Mr. Adams. Thank you.